one does not have weight calibration, so you get the full feedback, the feel of it. This one you can, it has an extra spring, so you can push down and I feel it's like loose, and then once it starts getting resistance I feel the spring is harder based on my setting. Yeah, so it's just a screw that adjusts the pressure. So yeah, did notice, which you may have noticed, this is nice and smooth and quiet, the actuation, which is nice. It's a very different mechanism. But yeah, it's also, the other thing to notice is perfectly nice and polished. Most tampers, oh, they left an imprint. That was from that, which came with this. That's funny. Yeah, there's no design on this base, but you can tell it's not shiny and polished. So whether that means less coffee retention, less sticking on the base of the tamper, that would be nice, but I don't know if that's the case, because I'm pretty sure the decent brand tamper had a polished surface like this, and I still got coffee stuck to it, so we'll see how it goes. Yeah, in one video, a certain someone mentioned that nothing sticks to the Happy Tamper, and yep, it does. I just cleaned it off, but there was a lot of coffee stuck to the bottom of that. You also may have noticed this one has a larger base because this is 58.5. You can only get it in one size. Cool thing about Happy Tamper is you can custom order different sizes. This is 51.5, and I have a 51.7 coming for a more precise fit on the Europiccola. Yeah. So this one is from my other machine, 58mm, 58.5. This is the Normal Dose Tamper, which I don't think I mentioned. Happy or normal? What do you want to be?